Hello guys, good evening once again. This is Mike Padua. We're back to our latest weather analysis for this December 30th, 2024 result day until January 1, 2025, New Year's Day. This is for today, Monday to Wednesday. This is our English version brought to you by Typhoon2000 and Naga College Foundation. But before we begin, we'd like to thank our partners, Aboitiz Power, Bank of the Philippine Islands, Sustainable with You. If you're interested, just click on the link up here. Or if you're watching via Facebook, visit the description page for more details regarding BPI Sustainable with You. The local government of Naga City, headed by our Honorable Mayor Nelson Legacion and our Honorable Congressman of the 3rd District of Camarines Sur, Congressman Gabi Bordado. And let's begin with our update. But before we push through, I would like to greet you all advance Happy New Year, Happy 2025. Let's hope and pray that the new year will be filled with peace, love, and harmony, and less disasters. But as usual, you should be prepared whenever there's an impending natural calamity from the horizon. So, and let's just continue our daily lives. Let's begin now with our update. We have some good news. We have the improving weather conditions across the country, although we still have the ITCZ here over Mindanao, Visayas. Over the Bicol region, decreasing cloudiness can be seen, but there are still some showers. Early this morning until around noontime, we have some isolated on and off rainfall, just light to moderate. And we have here a weak low pressure system which has been accelerating towards the West Philippine Sea, and this cloudiness is already over the Spratly Islands, where the Calayan Island group is included. The Northeast Monsoon has retreated over the Batanes, Babuyan Cubab Islands and the northern coastal areas of Ilocos Norte and the northern part of the West Philippine Sea, also along the southern coastal areas of Hong Kong and southeastern China. And outside of PAR, we are monitoring another surface trough here, but not expected to intensify, although it has started some small circulation here. I'm gonna show to you later the satellite animation. Here's the ITCZ starting to weaken, but there will be some showers still for the next 48 hours, particularly in the afternoon or evening in some parts of Visayas and Mindanao. Now here's the fast animation. As you can see, this is the area of surface trough that is likely to become our shallow or weak LPA, but based on the computer models, it is likely to dissipate within the next 48 hours until January 1 or 2, as it moves towards the southern coastal waters of Mindanao. Here's another LPA, a weak one, which has been moving westward across the Spratlys, and some moderate to heavy rainfall will be expected over the Calayan Island group. Over Bicol region, some light easterly winds also creating some showers, patches of small thunderstorms or rain bands passing over Camarines Sur, the 3rd District, this morning. But right now it's gone, and there are still some smaller thunderstorms, as you can see here from the zoom-in satellite animation from windy.com, in the vicinity of Camarines Norte and northern southern Quezon area. There is some very small thunderstorm, localized thunderstorm over that area, but over the rest of the Bicol region, these thunderstorms has dissipated. There's still one here in the vicinity of Sorsogon, some isolated thunderstorm forming as of this time. It's already 6 o'clock in the evening, and so far that's the situation right now. There's still also some thunderstorms here over Zamboanga Peninsula and over the Calayan Island group because of this weak LPA. And northeast monsoon remains here along the northern edge of Luzon. Now let's take a look at the wind and pressure forecast from the European model for the next 3 days. This is up to January 2. And As you can see, here's the shallow LPA, and northeasterly to easterly trade winds across the eastern sections of the country. That will be tomorrow, January 31. Northeast monsoon over the northern part of Cagayan and Batanes, Pabuyan, Cabo Islands. And on Wednesday, January 1st, 2025, some light northeasterly winds over the eastern sections of Luzon, including the Bicol region. Visayas will be easterlies, and ITCZ will remain here over Palawan, Visayas, and Mindanao, while we have here the shallow LPA to the south of the Calayan Island group. Northeast monsoon remains concentrated over the areas of Batanes, Pabuyan, Cabo Islands on New Year's Day, January 1. So those who are asking on the celebration of New Year's Eve, it looks like we will be having some nice weather. But there are still some showers or thunderstorms over Mindanao, Visayas, Palawan, parts of Mindoro, Romblon, and also along the extreme northern parts of Luzon because of the northeast monsoon and the possibility of another shear line here. Now on January 2, easterlies will be back across the eastern sections of Luzon, eastern Visayas, and into the central western sections of Visayas as well, and over eastern Mindanao, while the ITCZ will remain here over southern Mindanao, southern Zamboanga, towards this weak LPA to the south of Vietnam. Okay, so that's the forecast. It's almost peaceful all over the country when it comes to the weather conditions, except for these ITCZ rain bands over Mindanao. Now here's the rain bands that we are talking about by tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow evening, January 31. Thunderstorms will again persist over Visayas and Mindanao, and it will be likely around midnight. Let's check out the midnight New Year's Eve. There might be some showers and thunderstorms across eastern Visayas, northern Cebu, also here over the Sulu Archipelago. There will still some chances of thunderstorms here or showers over the eastern coastal areas of Partido, eastern Albay, eastern Sorsogon, and Catanduanes, but the probability remains medium, okay, 50%. So let's see. I hope it won't spoil your New Year's celebration. Now let's take a look at the overall picture, 24-hour rainfall accumulation forecast from the European model. So tomorrow, Tuesday, this is gonna be on Tuesday, New Year's Eve. Almost the rest of Luzon will have the good weather with low chance of rain showers, particularly during the evening. But the northern tip of the country, Batanes, Pabuyan, Cabo Islands, Sulu Archipelago, and Mindanao, and also Visayas might be experiencing some isolated rain showers. But let's hope during the New Year's Day celebration it won't appear. Okay. And on January 1, first day of the year 2025, Wednesday, there might be some rain showers and thunderstorms returning over the Bicol region, northern Visayas and eastern Visayas, and also here over the eastern and northern sections of Cagayan Valley. And on January 2, a developing shear line will bring rain showers and thunderstorms across Cagayan Valley. Okay, isolated thunderstorms over northern Palawan and some parts of Mindanao. And on Friday, January 3, intensifying shear line will bring rainfall across the northern coastal areas of Cagayan okay, including Isabela. So that's the forecast for the next 3 to 4 days from the 24-hour rainfall accumulation of the European model. As for the wave forecast, it looks like wavy, okay? Choppy seas will remain across the East Philippine Sea up to 3 to 3.5 meters, and also over the West Philippine Sea up to 4 meters. But those closer to the coastal areas, including Bicol region and the western coastal areas of Luzon, western Palawan, will remain 1 to 2 meters in wave heights, light to moderate, and still suitable for fishermen and sea travel. Here over the inland waters of the Philippines, it will remain calm to light waves of up to 1 meter in wave height. So that's good. And 31, it will still be choppy. And on January 1, except for extreme northern Luzon, the waves will be less than 2 meters in wave heights until Thursday, where the wave heights will become lighter. So up to 1 meter, 2 meters here over the East Philippine Sea, 1 to 1.5 meters over the West Philippine Sea, except the western seas of the Bashi Channel west of Batanes. And over the inland waters, it remains calm to half a meter in wave heights. So it's good when it comes to sea travel and fishing. So that ends our update. We will return on the first day of next year, January 1. This is Mike Padua saying Happy New Year to all. Let's hope and pray that 2025 will be less typhoons making landfall over our country. Always be prepared when it comes to upcoming typhoons or tropical systems. This is Mike Padua. Good day to all. Thank you for watching our channel. And it has been a nice 2024. Although with all these disasters, we are able to give you the very latest on the past storms. But let's hope and pray that we will continue to give you the very latest on upcoming storms for 2025 onwards. Thank you so much. God bless, and see you next time.